Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I have a used Xbox Series S controller that I bought off eBay. Now I wouldn't really do a video on something like this if I just bought something second hand on eBay, because it's not really worth it. But the reason I have is because I didn't buy this off some random bloke. Basically, the guy I bought this off, his page is literally just called Gaming Controllers. And there's nothing on here now, but they did have loads of controllers up, so I'd imagine they might have more up again. So we'll see if he puts more stuff on, but either way I thought I'd do a little review to see if it's any good. But yeah, so let's just get into it. Now one thing that did actually annoy me with this is it took a while. Now the postage was $3.99, which is how much it cost for a Royal Mail Track 24 parcel. But it wasn't sent through Royal Mail, it was sent through Every. And basically, they dispatched this on the 19th and it has now arrived on the 22nd. So it did take quite a while. I thought I was getting Track 24 because the price, I know that he's definitely upcharging for postage because a parcel sent through Every Track costs you like £2.50. But either way, let's open it. We've got some bubble wrap on it. And here we go, it looks quite good condition. Maybe you wonder why have I bought a second-hand controller. Basically, I have an Xbox One X, I've had it since 2020. My controller, I've never bought a new controller for it. The controller I have sometimes doesn't like to go down. So I thought, I need a new controller. But a new controller is like 50 quid. And honestly, I'm probably lucky if I play it like 3 times a month. I really don't play it that often. So it wasn't worth spending loads of money on a new controller till this came up. I think I won the controller for, I think altogether with postage it was about £27. So yeah, I thought it's quite a good deal. I don't have any batteries just laying around, but basically on my controller that I've got now, this doesn't go down. I've got this in there, these rechargeable battery things. Now I've got the box out because I'm pretty sure the one that I had on this controller won't fit on this one. So I might need a different one. So we'll put that in. And we'll see if this fits on here. Yeah, see, it doesn't. So here's where my original one is for my Xbox. So I'll put that back on. I'm not sure which is for the Series X and which one's for the... Right, so we've got the S/Series X one, so we'll stick that on like that. So now we've got 2 USB-C ports, but yeah, it seems to work okay. So basically, obviously I will need to link it to my Xbox. Now if anyone's wondering, yes, these controllers are backwards compatible. You can use the Series X or S controller with any Xbox One, so they're quite good with that. So we'll hold down the pair button. I do have a dedicated video on this, but it is quite simple. Hold down the pair button on both of them and then they'll link up. And now you can see it's signing me in. So as you can see, everything seems to work fine. I can actually go down on this one. But yeah, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I hope you guys come back for another one. Bye.